I tried cutting regular vinyl without a mat. And honestly, I expected this to go completely wrong, but what happened surprised me. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it and what you need to watch out for. You only need a few things: regular adhesive vinyl, a Cricut Maker, and your design ready in Design Space. Important, this is not smart vinyl, so technically this shouldn't work the same way. Open your design in Cricut Design Space. Make sure your size is correct and everything is positioned exactly how you want it. Then click Make. Now, here's the important part. When selecting your material, you choose Smart Vinyl Matless. This is where things get risky. Take your vinyl and feed it directly into your Cricut. Make sure it's straight and is as wide as your mat. This is very important. If it goes in crooked, your cut will shift and your design can get ruined. Use both hands. Guide it gently and let the machine grab it evenly. Double check alignment before pressing start. Now, let it cut. At this point, don't touch anything. Just watch how it feeds through. But look at this. Clean lines, no tearing, and everything stayed in place. Honestly, way better than I expected. Now, let's weed the design. Go slow, especially with small details. If something lifts, just press it back down gently. But as you can see, it actually weeds really clean. So when should you do this? This method is great if you don't have a mat ready, your mat isn't sticky anymore, or you just want a faster setup. But for very detailed designs, a mat is still safer. Just keep in mind, alignment is everything. Pressure settings matter, and not all vinyl types will behave the same. So always test first. I really didn't expect this to work this well, but if you do it carefully, it can save you time and still give great results. If you want more Cricut tips, easy projects, and ideas like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you try this yourself, let me know how it went. Backhand index pointing down.